verb avec l'auxiliaire être. So if you remember, in some cases, for what we call composed tenses, you will have to use whether avoir or être. So in most of the cases, you will have to use avoir. But then in some cases, you will have to use this auxiliaire être. Okay? And well, I've been doing some videos regarding this topic, but then I thought that maybe it might be useful to see, because there are many different techniques to remember the list of verbs that will require this être verb. And then here is one of them. And it's called Dr. A and Mrs. P. Van der Tramp. Okay, so it's a technique that apparently is used in well, English-speaking countries. Okay, so we'll see that it can be quite useful. I'm not really sure if it's working for everyone, but still, it's one technique. Okay, so the idea is that you will, well, try to remember actually these names, and then well, each letter will represent one verb that will require this auxiliaire être. Okay, so let's start now. And so if we take the whole thing here, and then we take only the first letter here, it's D, and then D will be for the verb descendre. Okay, descendre. Then after that, R will be for rentrer. Okay, rentrer. Then M will be for mourir. Mourir. R will be for revenir. Revenir. Then we'll have S, and it will be for sortir. Sortir. P. Passer par. Okay? Passer par. Then V. Venir. Okay? Venir. After that you will have A, and A is for aller. Aller. N. Naître. Naître. Then you will have D, and they will be for devenir. Devenir. E. Entrer. Entrer. Then R for retourner. Retourner. T for tomber. Tomber. R for rester. Rester. Then A for arriver. Arriver. M will be for monter. Monter. And last but not least, P will be for partir. Partir. Okay, so you have it. As I said, I'm not really sure if it works for everyone, but then it's one option, okay? Or then the other option will be, or would be, the classical list, and then you learn them by heart. I mean, that's one option. So let's see them one more time, okay? So the first one is descendre. After that, we'll have entrer. Then mourir. Revenir. Sortir. Passer par. Venir. Aller. Naître. Devenir. Entrer. Retourner. Tomber. Rester. Arriver. Monter. Partir.